Hi my beautiful viewers, I am Roshni. Welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. Today I have making powerful hair growth serum which if used every day 30 minutes before going to bath, you will get new hair. If it is used, it will remove baldness, black the hair, makes the hair shiny, makes the hair dense. It also helps to have a good sleep. So let's see how I have made the hair growth serum. I have taken half bowl of fenugreek seeds. Benefits of fenugreek seeds for hair are fights dandruff, promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, makes hair shiny and silky, prevents premature hair graying. Next, I have taken black cumin. Benefits of black cumin for hair are promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying, moistures dry hair, reverses hair damage, improves scalp health, restricts hair fall. Next, I have taken flax seeds. Benefits of flax seeds for hair: increases elasticity of hair fibers, prevents split ends, stop premature graying, keeps dandruff and itchy scalp at bay, strengthens hair from the roots. Next, I have taken gotukola. বাংলায় একে থানকুনি পাতা বলে। Gotukola leaves help your body to cool down and helps have a good sleep. It's used to strengthen hair and promote hair growth. Gotukola is one of the most powerful Ayurvedic herbs. It thought to increases hair strength and stimulated hair growth, possibly by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. Next, I have taken Bhringraj. Benefits of Bhringraj for hair are treat baldness and helps in hair growth, prevents hair fall, promotes hair growth, prevents graying of hair. It's too much beneficial for hair. So let's start without any further delay. At first, I have taken cauldron. Mix all the ingredients. But I will not mix the fenugreek seeds. Now I will make it into powder. First I will pour 1.5 cup of water. See, it has totally boiled. Now I will put the gas low flame so that extracted very well. See, after 20 minutes the water color is totally changed and it is formed like gel. Already I have powdered the fenugreek seeds. Now I will sieve the strainer. See the particles. Now I will strain them in a strainer. Did you know it will add on the density and improve the blackness of hair and regrow the new hair. See this. Now I will mix the fenugreek seeds powder. Mix them properly. So finally powerful hair growth serum is ready. Obviously use it. You can store it in an empty container if you wish. If you do so, like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. Share it with your friends if you like. Always be well. Take care. Bye.